Hey guys, my name is LJ Petulia and I am a secondary math strategist here in Grand Prairie ISD. And this is my 31st year in education, my 8th year in Grand Prairie, and my 5th in this position. So today we're going to be looking at assessments, the what, the why, the what, and the when for Grand Prairie. Let's scroll up about our why. So why do we give district assessments? Or why do we give assessments at all? So there's different type of assessments that we can utilize within our classrooms. We can do formal assessments, which would be considered the district assessments, anything that we're going to collect data points on as a group. We also have informal assessments. These would be your teacher-created tests, quizzes, projects, things that you do in class to just check learning. Also, your exit tickets and different polling can also help with that. And finally, we have diagnostic, which is our MAP testing, and our TEA interim tests. So those are going to give us specific STAR-related feedback. So that is that's part of our why. So we're going to monitor student learning, provide ongoing feedback, and the why for the students is to improve their learning. So that's our why. What? So Grand Prairie, or our team, provides those assessment blueprints for all district-created assessments. And when we get to the when, you'll see when those assessments are going to be coming. And if it's something created by our team, you will be receiving a blueprint. There'll be a blueprint available, so you know exactly what standards, how many questions, that kind of thing. So we create those specific blueprints to help both teachers and students know what is tested. I hate taking a test when I don't know what's on it, so we're trying to prevent that for both teachers and students. Finally, the when. So here is a schedule of all tests that will take place during the 23-24 school year for both tested subjects, which is grade 6 through Algebra 1, and non-tested or untested subjects, which is going to be our GOs, our Algebra 2s, and any of our advanced math classes. So in quarter 1, we will have our MAP BOY, beginning of year assessment. This is a diagnostic assessment. It's given in all courses, and it is part of TIA, which is our teacher incentive allotment. So that is the money for high-performing teachers. So all students will take a MAP BOY, beginning of year. Also during quarter 1, we will have the quarter 1 checkpoint for tested subjects only, grades 6 through Algebra 1. This will be created by Teaching and Learning, and there will be a blueprint available. Quarter 2 assessments. There's a few more in quarter 2. We have the first TEA interim test, and that's going to be for tested subjects only because it's STAR correlated. There is a Q2 checkpoint for untested subjects. So while the tested are doing their TEA interim, untested will be taking a quarter 2 checkpoint. That quarter 2 checkpoint will be 8 to 10 questions and done in one class period. The quarter 2 sums, this is going to be at the end of quarter 2, done like a midterm. All courses will take them. Tested subjects, grades 6 through Algebra 1, will take a mock STAR, and the campus will shut down for this. Untested subjects will take a 10-question, one class period test created by Teaching and Learning. So both of these, both tested and untested quarter 2 sums, will have blueprints. And finally, we have our ACT school day in quarter 2. Quarter 3, MAP MOY, or middle of year. This is going to be for all courses. This one is not a TIA test. So it's not part of teacher incentive allotment, but all students must take the MAP MOY. The TEA interim 2, this is going to be tested subjects only. The quarter 3 checkpoint. So while the tested are taking their TEA interim 2, the untested or non-tested will be taking a quarter 3 checkpoint. That quarter 3 checkpoint created by Teaching and Learning will have a blueprint. It is also going to be 10 questions completed in one class period. TELPAS, so both parts of TELPAS are in quarter 3, and our SAT school day is near spring break. Quarter 4, MAP end of year, or OI, for all courses. This is the end of the TIA. So the TIA diagnostic tests are the MAP BOY and the MAP OI, beginning of year and end of year. And they're looking at growth. STAR is also in quarter 4, and that's going to be tested subjects only. So that is our testing schedule for this school year. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you guys.